Today you will see the complete Panda leather process. Living Panda to $500,000 masterpiece.
Baiting drums, rare enzymes for cashmere softness. American worker pours emerald powder from vault. Pelts become impossibly soft in 8 hours. Timer glows green.
Pickling drums, Arctic acid locks the pattern forever. American operator checks -8 degrees Celsius temperature. Pelts preserved perfectly, ready for platinum tanning.
Examining machine. Platinum rollers squeeze remaining moisture. American operator starts machine. Pelts exit semi-dry. Thickness checked with laser gauge. 0.8 millimeters exact. Zero mark. Approved. Ready for cutting.
Lasting stretch, Panda pelt pulled 450%. Fiber screen then snapped back perfectly. 0 wrinkles under 40x lamp. Shape locked for centuries.
200-ton hydraulic belt punch, instant explosion. 12 holes punched in 0.15 seconds. Circles fly like diamonds into titanium bin, clean as surgical steel.
Zero micro scratches. Approved.
Diamond buckle final polish, 8,000 RPM. Black diamond compound creates liquid mirror. Craftsman sees his own face perfectly. Zero micro scratches. Approved.
One loose fiber equals instant reject. Only flawless pieces forward. Every panel measured 4 times. Assembly begins now.
Panda belt cutting, 55mm prime back strips. American worker runs through diamond blade. Holes punched with hydraulic boom. Spacing perfect, 40mm.
We use hidden titanium reinforcement corners. The inserts are tapped completely flush. As you can see,
Final hand stitching, 15 stitches per inch. An American master uses emerald wax thread. The saddle stitch disappears inside the pelt. The knot is burned flush.
Acid-free midnight tissue, 12 precise folds. American worker places jacket dead center. Box ready for private jet delivery. Weight exactly 12.8 kilograms.
Only 25 jackets per year. You just saw the impossible.